Struggling to unleash your inner artist? Feeling intimidated by tech jargon? Relax. Today we're diving into the top 5 AI tools that anyone can use to create stunning AI art. No tech experience required. Forget confusing interfaces and endless tutorials. I've handpicked these tools based on their simple interfaces, supportive communities, and beginner-friendly resources, ensuring a smooth learning journey. Choosing the right AI art tool can feel like finding a needle in a digital haystack. So what sets a beginner-friendly tool apart? First up, simplicity is key. We're talking clean, clear interfaces that don't require a manual to navigate. When I'm trying a new tool, I want to get right to the good stuff, creating images. I don't want to spend a lot of time learning the interface. Then there's a community aspect, a vibrant, supportive network where questions are welcomed and creativity is shared. And let's not forget about resources. We need tutorials and guides that speak your language, from getting you from huh to aha in no time. Together, these elements make an AI tool not just powerful, but accessible to everyone, helping you start creating with confidence. So here are my top 5 AI art tools, tailored for every creator out there, from the curious newbie to the emerging digital artist. First up, ImageFX by Google's AI Test Kitchen. This gem uses Google's Imagen 2 text-to-image generator. ImageFX makes AI art creation fun and accessible, with dynamic text fields and helpful drop-down suggestions that inspire countless variations on your ideas. There are even more prompt suggestions below the box. A quick click adds them to your prompt. Ever stare at a prompt field feeling lost? ImageFX gets it. That's why they have the I'm feeling lucky button. Stuck for inspiration? Click it, and AI Magic generates a surprise prompt to spark your creativity. Or start on the home page and choose an image to remix. ImageFX is perfect for the beginning prompter or a creative stuck in a rut. More experienced prompters can use Imagen 2 in Google's updated AI image generator, Gemini. But why, when image making is so easy on ImageFX? Next on our journey, we have Dall-e 3, now integrated into Bing and Microsoft Copilot. This powerful tool puts a digital Picasso at your fingertips. Simply type your vision, click Create, and watch your words transform into stunning visuals. Or click the Surprise Me for a delightful digital adventure. Still finding your artistic vision? Choose one of the inspiration images below and copy the prompt. Whatever style you want, Dall-e 3 crafts it, from fantasy landscapes to modern art to photorealism. Dall-e 3 makes it accessible and fun. Whether you're a budding artist or a seasoned creative, Dall-e 3 empowers you to explore and bring your imagination to life. Firefly is a generative AI model from Adobe, designed to empower creatives to produce original assets like images and text effects seamlessly within their workflow. Firefly's intuitive tools produce high-quality, customizable content with just a few clicks. Feeling overwhelmed by too many options? Start with a simple idea. Firefly's intelligent prompt suggestions guide you to relevant options based on your initial idea, helping you refine your vision without getting lost in the endless possibilities. Then choose from an amazing array of styles to customize your image. With its integration into the Adobe suite, Firefly enhances productivity across various Adobe applications. This makes Firefly perfect for beginning AI users or professionals looking to harness the power of AI in their creative projects. Learning something in this video? Subscribe for more AI art tips and tool explorations. If you want to get interactive, join our Making AI Magic membership community for daily ideas, tips, and tricks. Then there's Deep Dream Generator, powered by Stable Diffusion. Deep Dream Generator offers a user-friendly interface for transforming your inspirations into AI art. Start with a basic concept, or use the random button. Then refine your vision with suggested modifiers. Or start with one of your own photos. Describe what you want to see in the image. Want to fine-tune specific details but feel limited by text prompts? Deep Dream Generator's AI editor allows you to directly paint on generated images, adding specific details and adjustments for precise control over your artistic vision. Dive into a community eager to explore the depths of AI-generated art and see just how your creative visions can come to life. Rounding out our list is NightCafe, powered by Stable Diffusion. NightCafe is known for its straightforward interface and impressive AI art capabilities. From style transfer to text to image, it's designed for all, requiring no artistic background. With free daily credits, you can turn your photos into masterpieces or bring your imaginative prompts to life. Start in basic mode, then switch to advanced as you grow, exploring all the tools Stable Diffusion offers. Worried about creating something unique? NightCafe's community challenges encourage exploring unique themes and prompts, pushing your creativity beyond individual projects, and fostering inspiration from fellow artists. This AI is a fantastic playground for those eager to explore the creative possibilities of AI without any hassle. Each of these AI tools brings something unique to the table, from enhancing photos with AI effects to generating art from scratch. They're built with ease of use in mind, ensuring you can focus on the fun part, creating. Which tools sparked your creativity the most? Or maybe you have a new one that you want to share. Share your favorite AI art tool and why in the comments below. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. This is Janet making AI magic. Let's make something amazing together.